Okay, RJ's got the number.
Lot 304 is a 1962 Ghia L6.4 Coupe, a model with true star quality. Lucille Ball and Frank Sinatra both counted themselves as owners. This is one of only 6 modified by the king of customizers, George Barris, with those French headlights and hidden turn signals, like the Sinatra and Dean Martin cars actually. It also has a power-operated sunroof, a very early application. It's now offered here after 44 years of ownership in the same family, the 1962 Ghia L6.4.
Thank you very much, Alan. Bidding is coming through on this lot, ladies and gentlemen. What should we say? $150,000 now to start me. 150. Opening bid of 150,000. Anyone out? 150. Thank you. 150,000. Do I have $175,000 now? 150 I have. Do I have 175 now, Alex? At 150. 175. Thank you. 175,000, 200,000 if you like. 200 I have, thank you. That's 200, 210, absolutely. 210, 210. In advance, Alex, at 210,000, $220,000 I have. At 220,000, do I have $230,000 now? At 220,000, 30. Thank you. 230. Do I have $240,000 now? We're at $230,000 then. On this Ghia, ladies and gentlemen, at $230,000. We're all done at 230, 240,000. New bidder at 240,000. In advance from you now, Alex, at 240,000, 250,000, 260,000. Do I have 270 now? 265. Thank you. 270. Thank you. 275 if you like. Nope. We'll at $270,000 and the bids here on my left at $270,000. Are you all done? We'll at $270,000 and actual sell if there's no better bid. You're missing the car. It's selling on my left here at $270,000 and it's going for the first time. I'm going to count it down. It's going for the second time, sir. Last chance at $270,000. All done. All finished. So, your car, 270,000. 7683. Thank you.